Do you know the problem that you or your team constantly have to answer customer inquiries that could actually be easily found if they were just provided somewhere? I want to briefly talk about self-service and a customer portal that can relieve your employees of tedious tasks and give them more time for more important work. Whether delivery dates, invoices, or current order status, processing these routine inquiries eats up valuable time and resources. Many companies want a platform to provide this information digitally and automatically, without having to maintain a second data source. Business Portals is an extension for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central that allows you to provide your customized self-service portal for your external stakeholders, for example, customers, suppliers, or partners. The special thing about it, all data comes directly from your Business Central. Let's now take a look at the central functions that Business Portals offers. As a portal operator, you either provide your customers with login data or an account, or you let your customers register themselves on the portal. The login page is kept in the operator's corporate identity and offers direct access to the portal or to the registration process. The system ensures secure authentication, with multi-factor authentication if required. After registration, the web user is assigned to a business partner in Business Central to ensure that access is only granted to information intended for them. Once logged in, the stakeholder is greeted with a direct overview in the form of a dashboard, which offers him jump-off points to all areas important to him. The tile-based dashboard provides a quick overview of the information provided and also offers direct access points to more in-depth information. In addition to the jump-off points to the normal Business Central areas, there is also the option to publish news directly in the form of small blog posts. A calendar can directly visualize different information, such as delivery dates, service appointments, or other time-bound information. Business Analytics now plays a central role for many companies, and the Power BI integration option to display information filtered for the customer or business partner as a Power BI report directly in the portal offers completely new perspectives here. The core of Simova Business Portals is the ability to display all information from Business Central. Whether it's item master data, order lines, invoice details, or project-related information, you can publish any field and any table from Business Central in the portal. Customers and business partners see all the relevant details you share with them. For example, if a customer wants to access their invoice documents, they simply click on the tile for invoices and credit notes, select the relevant invoice number from the list, and download the invoice from anywhere at any time. What we just saw for downloading invoices, of course, also works for any other documents from Business Central, and can even be flexibly adapted to industry solutions or individual customizations. At the same time, you can transparently display the current status of orders, deliveries, or returns in order to further minimize inquiries. This way, you always have a perfect overview of the current status of an order, the processing of an application, or the status of any other process. The available statuses can be defined by you in Business Central and linked with actions in the ERP system. But of course, you can not only publish information or documents on the portal in one direction, but also receive information or let your customers initiate processes. For example, publish your product catalog, i.e., your items from Business Central, and allow your customers to order these items directly in the portal or request a quote for the items in their shopping cart. All information displayed about the item comes directly from Business Central. You decide which information is shown, in what format, and which actions should be available. Let's change perspective from the end user accessing the portal to the employee of the portal operator. Here, in the Role Center in Business Central, you as a key user can see all important information and processes initiated in the portal. For example, to process your customers' orders, you dive into the corresponding batch and have an overview of all the transmitted data from the portal. This is where the aforementioned statuses come into play again. When an order is moved to the next status, a sales order is automatically generated in Business Central, based on the transmitted data. All important fields in this order are already filled in, so you can continue working immediately. The biggest advantage is that the entire configuration takes place directly in Business Central. You don't need any complex programming knowledge to customize and manage the portal. Additionally, Business Portals is cloud-enabled and can be fully hosted in Azure. This means you don't need to host the portal front-end on a local server. Cloud hosting offers you maximum flexibility and scalability. And one major difference compared to many competitors, our pricing model is a fixed monthly fee, regardless of the number of your external accesses. This makes the costs predictable and fair. In summary, Business Portals offers you a powerful and flexible solution to automate and optimize your communication with external stakeholders. The self-service portal relieves your team of routine inquiries, provides your customers and business partners with a 24/7 source of information, and ensures greater transparency in your business relationships. If you want to learn more or would like a personalized demo, visit us on our website. We look forward to meeting you.